Hey guys, how's it going? My name is the OG Swag Panda and welcome to my very first product review. Now, I just want to give you guys a quick side note before I do dive in. I've been getting a few people asking me what's going on, and I just wanted to let you guys know I myself don't know what actually is happening or what I've done to really earn this opportunity, but at the same time I'm absolutely thankful that I have. Now, I get these products given to me as a gift, so these aren't sponsored products. So sometimes videos can be a little bit delayed because there might be a bit of a delay in getting these products. At the end of the day, they aren't sponsored products, so what you get from me is a very truthful, honest review. I use these for a few days or a week and give you guys feedback on how I find them. Now, I'm also not the most technical person, so it's not going to be a very tech-filled review. It's more or less just going to be my honest experience and giving you guys sort of the average customer review, if you want to call it that. Now, if you guys are still confused about what actually is going on, I'll leave a link to a video just up here. You can go watch that and sort of get a bit of a better understanding about what actually is happening in my life. Now, today's video is going to be me reviewing the Oneplus 6T. I got this phone just about a week ago. I've been using it as my daily driver. Now, I've been an iPhone person my entire life. I've been using the iPhone for the last 8 years. So this is the very first phone that I've moved into, which is actually an Android. And there's been a lot of differences and adjustments to make moving from an iPhone to an Android phone, but this has definitely been one of the better experiences I've had. Now, one of the biggest adjustments for me moving from the iPhone to this phone was obviously the operating system. A lot of you know what the iPhone is like, and moving to the Android was a bit different. It took a couple of days for me to get used to it, but what I absolutely love about this phone is how slick and responsive it is. It's very fast. The gestures are amazing. You've got different options for the camera gestures. You can open up your call log. There's a whole lot of things you can do with this phone. The screen size is very big. In terms of the borders, you get a lot of screen for the actual size of the phone. Now, I do really like the notch on the phone. It is very small compared to other phones. I've been using the Galaxy Note 9 along with this phone, and that's got quite a larger notch. Now, this phone does also come with gaming mode. If you're someone like me that does like mobile gaming, this is the perfect phone for you. What it does is it optimizes your settings and it allows you to have a much better playback. Now, although they've stuck with a similar design as the previous phone, they've gone for the fingerprint scanner. Now, this is where my biggest problem using this phone comes in. Because the fingerprint scanner is on the screen itself, it's very slow and it's not as consistently reliable as a normal scanner. But of course, you also have the opportunity to use the face scanner, and the face scanner works perfectly. I've not had a single issue using the face scanner to unlock my phone, whether it's in a bright room or in a dark room. It works 99% of the time. Obviously nothing is 100%. Now, another thing that I pointed out in my unboxing video was the fact that this phone doesn't come with a headphone jack. From what I've been told, it's because of the fact that it's got a larger battery, as well as having the fingerprint scanner on screen, that they didn't really have the space to put a headphone jack. Now, I believe the only current phones that do have headphone jacks is Samsung and LG. So if you're someone that's really particular about having a headphone jack, those are probably the best phones for you. All in all, do I think it's a great phone? Absolutely. I've been having an absolute blast using this phone. It's definitely a daily driver. It's small, it's compact, it's not heavy, so you can carry it around comfortably. And it's worth the price? Absolutely. You get something that works about as fast as the iPhone XS Max for half the price. So you really can't complain when it comes to the price value for this. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Now, as a phone, this is a great daily driver. I definitely recommend anyone to try this phone, whether you're 15, 30, 45, doesn't really matter. There's no specific age demographic stuck to the phone. I'll be doing a lot more product reviews, especially the things that I get given. Now it's a great opportunity, it's something I definitely don't want to miss out on doing, so I'll be sort of transitioning between gaming as well as product reviews. Now I would really appreciate any of you guys to provide feedback on what you'd like to see different, on what I should do to sort of make my reviews look a little bit more professional and add a bit more sort of professional value to them. Other than that, please do leave a like on this video if you did enjoy, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon.